My name is Stephen Hulcy. I've been competing for about 10 years, and I am actually from Dallas, Texas.
What started you entering creative arts cooking competitions?
You know, it's really interesting. I've been coming to the state fair for a million years since I was a kid. And I always walked through the creative arts building and thought it was kind of corny and old-fashioned. And one day I was looking at these pickled jarred vegetables, and all of a sudden my eyes just focused on it, and I thought, that's a little piece of artwork. I thought, I can do that. I like to cook. And so I bought a pressure cooker and I started canning things. I just taught myself and entered, not thinking I would win anything, and I got 6 blue ribbons the first year. So I started out doing canning, and then I thought people would tease me and say, oh, well, it doesn't make any difference. You don't taste it. You just, it's just based all on appearance. I said, I'll show them. So I started entering some cooking contests, and by being a local from Dallas, I love Tex-Mex, and so that's what brought me here today was my prize-winning Chipotle Deviled Eggs with Jalapeño Bacon.
So how did you come up with that recipe that was your best of show winner?
Well, growing up, my grandmother and my mother always made deviled eggs for special occasions, but I wanted to kick it up a notch and do something different. Being from Texas, we like spicy stuff, or at least I do. So I thought, well, so what could we do with the deviled eggs? Oh, I know, let's put some chipotles in it. And I made those and tested them, and then it's like, that was fun, but need a little garnish. So how about some chopped up raw jalapenos? And then the next batch, what if we added jalapeno bacon? And that was the hit. Everyone liked those and said, this is a keeper. When I got the blue ribbon, it was absolutely mind-blowing and the best day of my life, because I wasn't expecting to win the best in show. I was hoping that I would just get a ribbon. So not only did it win the blue ribbon, but I also won best in show. Out of all the dishes that day, mine was #1. It was amazing.
Each year, how do you start preparing? Do you, how is it, do you approach what items that you might enter into the fair?
Well, the first thing I do is, if I've been lucky enough to win a blue ribbon, I don't attempt that again. I'll leave that to somebody else. I've accomplished that. So I figure out what I haven't made before and see what's at the vegetable garden and start practicing.
Nice. How many people get to taste your stuff before you decide to enter it?
Well, my husband Jordan is the main tester, and he's so kind. You know, everything is great, so I need to know what's really great.
If anybody's thinking about entering for the first time, do you have any tips for them?
The tips that I would give somebody is, #1, go to the state fair and take a look and see what inspires you, and then practice. Practice, practice, practice. And there's going to be some missteps and failures, but all of a sudden something will click.